What the fuck was that?
Bit of the issues, engine is seized and there's no way going back. Hi, welcome to another day, number I don't know what, because I've lost track. I haven't been in this garage for the past month, but I did some mining off camera and I've already put some more parts on the Audi. And today the main goal is to put clear coat on the hood. As you can see, it's already been painted black. It's a lot of dust on it. So that's what I have to do, put clear coat on the hood. I have my battery charged, it's fully charged since from the last time it was fully drained. It didn't want to start, and so I charged it, and today we're gonna put it in the car and yeah, basically start the car, maybe try to move it, see if the transmission is okay, see if everything's working correctly, and that's pretty much it what we're gonna do today. I mean, the hardest part is gonna be painting the hood. As you can see, I already fitted the fender, but the fitment on this fender is pretty tight. So when I'm opening the door, there's this little contact making, the door's making contact with the fender, and I mean, it's the best I can do. There's not much to do with this. It's been crashed, and as you can see, the lights are on, the grille is on, the front bumper is on, the license plate is on, everything is fitted, and the fitment is pretty bad, but it's the most I can do. Yeah. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the intro, and let's get to work.
Wow, Eli, you're doing great.
Úplne zadymilo sa, je to všade, ale potom nič. Čo ti jebe? Čo ti je? Ty kokot. What the fuck, to čo bolo? What the fuck was that? Nekápe z toho. Pokus číslo 2?
Asi neviem.
Very strange sound. Very strange.
Ale to čo bol za dym?
He was standing a little bit too long.
Little bit too long, yeah.
Little bit too long. Nie, nehovor mi.
Už ma nezapol.
Nie. Ty blázen. Nechaj ho, ti to znovu urobí. Fuj! God damn! Z-traktor.
This is Zetor. Give me the camera. Alright, so we had a bit of the issues with starting this car. The main problem was I think the clutch was stuck or something. It does this. It's been doing this since I bought it. When you first start the car, I don't know what happens, but basically it feels like the clutch is stuck and it's doing this sound. And when you press the clutch, it goes away suddenly. I don't know what that is, but probably happened this time. So I had to shut down the car very fast because I was scared. I thought the engine is seized and there's no way going back. But as you can see, the engine is running, the car has started, and yeah, I have no rev meter. I can see the revs, but the sound of the engine is really healthy. It's basically like it was before. So I don't know. I'm gonna let it warm up for a second, up until the 90, and we'll see. Like, I'm pretty scared. Like, that was pretty sketchy. Yeah, we managed to start it back together. Okay, so I'll see you later. So the clear coat is on. It's on the hood, and I don't know. We'll see how it looks like after some time, because the actual paint came out pretty bad, and hopefully the clear coat will save it, but we'll see. Yeah. It's drying now, it's pretty wet, so I'm just gonna wait, and I'm probably gonna put that back on the car. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and in the next one we'll probably actually screw the hood on the car, and yeah, probably take it back on the road. We'll see. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.